Hello there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan, the king of digital marketing, once again back in an all new avatar. Now, we're looking at how do you build a supercomputer in this course, and it's going to be a virtual computer, and this is going to be the state of the art technologies once again in your house, right? My name is Srinidhi Ranganathan. They call me marketing legend, and I'm the founder of firstlookair.com. The future is now, which is India's first artificial intelligence powered digital marketing company run by robots and humans that can, attain a hell lot of, say, technologies through the power of robots and humans. We have the power to create websites in 30 seconds, create apps in minutes, create thousands of graphics in seconds, 2,000 articles in minutes, hundreds of logos and all the stuff. Yes, but enough of that. What is going to be this course, right? What is this course going to do for you? Right, let me actually take you to the technologies that are evolving right now. What you're seeing on the screen is called vSpatial. Now, why did I tell about vSpatial here is very easy, guys. This is where technology is heading. If you actually know where technology is actually heading right now in this particular year, be it 2019, be it 2020, or whatever it is, you'll understand that virtual workspaces are rising, right? They're on the rise. So what is a virtual workspace all about? When you see here, this is a VR device like Oculus Rift or HTC Vive that is connected, and you have a virtual office. This is your virtual office, guys. You can move around by wearing the VR device. Again, you can see a lot of say PC devices connected to each other, right? And this is possible through vSpatial. You can open your Windows desktop applications right with using your eyes and through your remote control, be it whatever it is, right? And when you can do this, you can voice call, you can say you can meet people in immersive virtual environments, be it Himalaya mountains or be it the Auckland, whatever you say, wherever you want to meet, be it Taj Mahal, whatever it is, you can meet people, Eiffel Tower, you can meet them, right, in virtual reality. You can collaborate with them and all this stuff. Now, this is where actually technology is heading. These are going to be virtual computers that are set up on your desktop application. In virtual reality, simple as that. These are going to change your world like a lot of technologies are. You can play, you can dance, you can you can move, whatever you can do using this amazing technology. So now as the technologies like vSpatial, the future of workspaces are here. This is like productivity on steroids, guys. When these kind of technologies come into the market, like collaboration with the team or anybody, enhanced security standards, or say teaming up with say virtual presence, you have your colleagues, you have 10 of them, 20 of them right here in front of you. You feel so, but someone is in say Paris, someone is in Boston, someone is in say Bangalore, someone is in Chennai or something like that, but you're still able to present, things, stuff which is like state of the art. That is the future of work, my friend. And when we talk about vSpatial, I'll also have to talk about Verbala. Verbala is a future work, right? So people say, I'm going to do an entire course on Verbala one day, right? That's another course. But you see this, I love commuting to the office, they say, right? Said no one ever. That means Verbala is going to be the future of work, right? Whoever says it or not, Verbala enables next generation remote collaboration stuff, which is like state of the art. You have an open 3D campus, my dear friend. This is your office. Imagine your office in a 3D world, right? You are going to have suits, your suites, what do they call it, right? Don't worry, these are not sweets that you eat in a sweet shop. These are sweets that you actually go there and stay in your office, right? And you collaborate to people in these computers, which are like virtual computers, right? And these are like I've used Wobala to a great extent. This is like they're the best in the world when it comes to creating open campuses. They have customizable avatars. So first it's like you log into the software. You actually go ahead and change your dress, change your clothes, change your dress, say change your hairstyle, whatever it is, and you walk into the campus. The campus is like amazing. You will never find a campus like Verbala, which is like open, say open campus, and it's like 3D. You feel like you're in a game, and then you talk to people, then you present, right? Then you conduct events in auditoriums. Here, there should be one of my offices there in that building, whatever it is, in the team rooms, or what do we call it? There are file sharing staff. You can put your name over here, right? Whatever it is, it's your office. If you go for their actual this one, like they have the plants and all this stuff. But when I'm talking about Verbala, right, this is what I was talking about, like changing the hairstyle, changing the cap, changing the glasses, and all this stuff. Yeah, so it's been used by Stanford and all this stuff. So yes, I was talking about this is where the future of work is actually heading, my dear friend. The future of work is in front of you, but what you're going to learn in the course, let's come to that right now. Now, this is the technology which is there, like firstlook.com, a company run by robots and humans, which is, guided by me. Then we have vSpatial, which is like an open collaborative office in virtual reality. Then we have yeah, this is again vSpatial. Then we have Verbala. Verbala is the world's first, say 3D office, a 3D campus, or what do we call it? So it's an open campus. It's a technology, a future of technology is in front of you. So when these kind of things come into picture, there are also, say cloud computers, which you can set up, the supercomputers you can set up, which is going to actually come in the course. These are supercomputers you can set up with whatever, the type of RAM that you want, the CPU, the GPU, whatever you want, in cloud, and you can run that computer. That means any PC, even a Windows 95, that's like a Windows 95 PC can become a gaming PC, believe it or not. That is the kind of technology we have right now, and I'm going to show you what is the technology inside the course. So this is like kind of an intro video only. This is only an intro, guys. The main picture is going to come. Is going to appear only inside the courses. So I will see you inside. This is Legend Srinidhi Ranganathan. Welcome to another course. This is the future of technology, right? Let's roll. Out with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's begin.